Watch how I cut into my jerk beef. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be prepping some beef and I'll be doing this Jamaican jerk style. Pork, I've eaten jerk when I used to consume pork. I no longer consume pork, so I'll be experimenting for the first time in doing some jerk beef. Seasonings: garlic powder, rosemary, thyme. I use allspice, ginger, oregano, paprika, and Jamaican jerk. I did not use any salt in this due to the jerk sauce having salt and the other seasonings. I will taste my pot as I go along. I did use some Maggi Bouillon in this. Welcome to my 5-star cooking. Today I'll be doing some jerk beef. My green seasonings are ginger, bell pepper, lots of garlic, scallion, thyme, bay leaf. I'll be using some chicken broth also. For starters, I added a little hint of avocado oil in my pot to allow my meat to get a little color. Then I added me ginger, garlic, some pimento seeds, my bay leaf in this. I also used a little tiny bit of clove. Yes, I used a little bit of clove in this. Once the beef got the color, I then started to add beef broth to this. I started to add my seasonings in, my green seasonings, and I will cover. This whole process took approximately 1 hour 45 minutes to cook. Yes, it took that long. I love my meat well done, and I did this stovetop. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Have you subscribed yet? Have you hit that like button? Hit that like button. Show your girl some love. It is free. Hit the like you like. I love when I'm roasting beef. I use my fork even after stabbing holes in it for seasoning. I love to use my fork to stick the meat to make sure that the meat is not overcooked and it is not underdone. This is my beef. I'm trying now to get a little gravy on this, and I did use a little ketchup in the gravy. I could have used cornstarch, I did not. So I use little breadcrumbs and some ketchup with a little beef stock or beef broth to get the gravy. Now, this was your girl first time trying, but there is nothing that is impossible if we only try. We can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. So I knew I could do this. Welcome again to my channel, and here is my jerk beef. I will cut into it so you will see, and I will also drop my ingredients in the description box so you too can try this. Look at my Jamaican style jerk beef. This was well done. Again, thank you for stopping by. Look at my jerk beef. It's different because there's no fat on this. I trimmed away all the fat. It is only lean meat. Let me tell you something, my family enjoyed this. It had a little spice to it. It was well seasoned. It was well marinated, and it tasted really, really good. Jerk beef pot roast style. Yes. Testing, experimenting, bringing out new recipes different from the regular that we are used to as Jamaicans. And I added a little bit of my sauce on this. For dinner, I served this with some pasta and some steamed veg that I did and some raw veg. I enjoyed this. I did not need any rice on this. Thank you again for stopping by my channel. Show you girls some love by liking, commenting, feel free to share. Thank you again for stopping by. Thank you for your continued support. To all my new subscribers, I welcome you with open arms. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching, for liking. Please make sure you watch the video to the end. These are really short videos. Under 8 minutes, under 10 minutes. They're really short. Show you girls some support and help me to get my watch hours up, and also to hopefully one day get in YouTube's algorithm. Thank you for liking. I give you a second to hit the thumbs up button at the bottom left of the channel.